Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see viewers, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet dresses ideas. It's very aesthetic and very colorful designs. You can see all the designs are very fabulous and outstanding. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful, especially for crochet and handicraft lovers. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of handmade crochet dresses ideas. I really hope that they will love this beautiful and popular collection. You know guys, different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet dresses, long maxis. Weaver, pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself. You can see weaver, some designs are long and some are short because different people have different choices. Some people like long dresses and some people like short dresses. Thank you weaver for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So my lovely viewers, if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so stay tuned with me. I am providing you most trending design, most outstanding articles. You can see viewer, these are beautiful maxi design and you can use these beautiful design in all type of events. Viewers, the crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines use hook and yarn. I am share with you some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word. Its meaning is hook, and the first known evidence of crochet back to 1824 in South America. And the main common hooks are used in crochet are, are aluminium, steel, and wood. These are very amazing designs, especially for warm weather, especially for summer, and you can use these dresses in all type of seasons. These are very breathable dresses and very soft collection. You can choose your favorite yarn, your favorite color and pattern and make these beautiful design for yourself. These are very amazing. You can make these design for relaxing, for stress relief. So my lovely viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest and new update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Stay connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay my lovely viewers, see you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.